Today's training session is going to be on adding students to a Google Classroom. As you can see, we are in the section in Google Classroom that is for adding students. You'll notice here on the right hand side that there is a class code. You can use this class code to invite students. You have several options. You can write the class code on the board and have the students enter that code in Google Classroom, or an easier method would be to click the blue invite icon and that will bring up a dialog box. You'll notice that you have some choices. You can use your contacts in your Gmail account, or you can send an invite to Google Groups. What I will do is I will type in the email address of a student that I would like to invite to my Google Classroom, and it will bring up that student's name, and then I can just put a check mark in the box and it will send an invite to that particular student. So now, until the students have actually accepted the invite, it will just say that they have been invited. I do have another choice for adding students. If you want to use your entire organizational directory, make sure that in the box that says My Contacts that you choose the directory option, and it will bring up all of the contacts in your organization so that you will be able to extend an invitation to everybody in the directory. I want to point out a couple of things that are located in this section of Google Classroom. Here in the middle of the screen, you can see this drop-down arrow beside where it says students can post and comment. If you click that, it gives you a couple of other choices. You can toggle whichever one on and off. If you want all the students to be able to have an ongoing conversation where each student can post and comment, then you would check the first choice. If you want the students only to be able to comment on what's posted, then you would check the second choice. And if you only want the teacher to be able to post and comment, then you would choose choice number 3. So it's totally up to the teacher who manages this class as to what kind of conversation can be placed on the stream in your Google Classroom. So again, today's lesson was all about how to invite students, so you can invite them via their email, either using the class code, or you can send messages to your Google Groups.